question here says, full equilibrium under perfect competition requires that dash. Talk about full equilibrium. Full equilibrium. That word under perfect competition requires that word dash. And for this kind of question, we have to read more about what market structure and what market structure and theories of cost and what revenue concepts. How we understand on this word three subject, we have it make it easier for you to understand this kind of question. So option A is MC equal to what MR and what and AC equal to what AR. When we talk about MC, we marginal cost equal to marginal revenue and what average cost equal to what average revenue. Option B, marginal cost equal to what marginal revenue but average cost less than greater than what average revenue greater than what average cost. Option B, marginal revenue equal to what marginal cost equal to what average revenue equal to what average cost. Option D, total revenue greater than what total cost. Option E, marginal revenue equal to what marginal cost. When marginal revenue equal to what marginal cost, that is what balance. So known as full equilibrium under what under common condition is what is balance. Equilibrium means balance. Option E is the best answer. Question next. And next one say oligopoly means dash. Now when I talk about this kind of question from the word from market structure as well. When I read more market structure, when I read more market structure, I would understand what types of market. We have what perfect market, imperfect market. Now, under the word imperfect market, we have subcategories. There we have what the oligopoly, the duopoly, the monopsony, and so on and so forth. We have them like that. We have the word the monopoly as well, single seller. When I talk about oligopoly, it means few seller. When I talk about duopoly, it means double seller. That is two seller. So oligopoly option A says oligopoly means that what is oligopoly? Define oligopoly in a simple sense. That's what this topic. Analyze the topic in a simple sense by not having what a misconception what or misinterpretation of what of the question. So option A says large numbers of what of sellers in what in the market. Option B say single seller in the what in the market. Option C, few sellers in the what in the market. Option D, few buyers in the what in the market. Option E, single buyers in the market. Oligopoly means dash. Are we together? Oligopoly means dash. And if few sellers in the market, option C is the best answer. Based on explanation so far, question number next. And the next question is this. Price discrimination can be practiced profitably by what by a monopolist when the elasticity of demand for its products is what is dash. Option A, elastic in both markets. Option B, unitary elastic in both markets. Option C, inelastic in both markets. Option D, inelastic in one market and what an elastic in both markets and inelastic in the other. Option A, unitary elastic with none of one market. C, price discrimination. Discriminative price. Giving preferential treatment to auto price. Sentimental treatment. Not selling at what the same price, selling what in different price. When what many market are what are differs. So option D is our best answer. Go and read more word on price legislature, what of the world of monopolist. Question on next. And next question is a demand for money for what for speculative purpose means that when we talk about speculative, we have to define the word to the future. Demand for money for what for speculative purpose for speculative reasons means dash. Option A, buying goods and services whose prices are bought at risen. Option B, keeping money for what for unforeseen expenditure, unforeseen contingencies, unplanned events. Option C, buying financial assets because of what of the possible gains. Option D, buying real estate. Option D, keeping money for a winning day. Until we demand for money for speculative reasons, for speculative purposes, it's about what the future, about what possible gain what in the immediate future. Option C is our best answer. Go and read more on the reason for what forwarding money. That is question next. And the next question is this. If the word the central bank intend to increase the money supply through the word open market operation or more, then it will dash. Option A, sell all securities in the open market. Option B, buy security in the open market. Option C, issue more currency notes. Option D, withdraw money supply from what market print more demand deposit. What can you say? Question this kind of question from the panel of what financial institution. That is the topic which that question is draw from. Go and read more on it for you to have a better understanding of what how commercial, how certain bank operate as what being the word the best bank, the highest bank of this nation, bankers of the government. So it's about buying security in the open. When you buy security in the open market, they use that as an instrument to control money supply in the market are way together. Question number next. And the next question is this: when the imports of what of a commodity is limited to what to a definite quantity by using what a trade control method. This is known as what as that. Go and read more what on international trade. We don't know more about this kind of question. We are talking about when the import of a commodity is limited to what to a definite quantity by using what a trade control method. This is known as what as that option a tariff or tariffs a starts a position on levies or on what on the individual or what on goods, on imported goods or exported goods. Option B, quotas, the exchange control of the evaluation, so the evaluation about what quota, placing what the quota is certain quantity when a certain quantity has been reached about what the importation of what maybe rice or granite oil or its varieties. They put a quota on it that is ban, limited ban, temporary ban on what on the importation of so goods for now. That's what the instrument the government used to what to control the what importation of what of commodities into what to our country. It's about what quotation when they are reaching what the certain limits of the importation of such goods, put the what the quota on it. When I talk about embargo simply means such goods must not be imported in one way or the other. Question of honest. I hope you understand that. And the next question here says balance of payment of what of a country explain the what the overall position of what of dash. Balance of payment, balance of payment, balance of payment. Option A, currency account of what of the balance of payment. Option B, capital account of what of the balance of payment. Option C, both the what the current and what and the capital accounts. Option C, both the current and what and the capital accounts. Option D, position of what balance of trade. Option D, visible and invisible trade. I hope you understand visible and invisible trade meaning about goods and invisible trade meaning about services, talk about shipping, tourism, and so on and so forth. And all it together. But we are focusing on what balance of payment. That is why this kind of topic was dropped from. Go and read more on the balance of payment for you to have a detailed understanding about this kind of topic and what it is. Know what it is. So when I talk about balance of payment, explain the word the overall position, both the capital account and the word and the current account. Focus on it. Because balance of payment usually deal with what it is. Option B. Option C is now what service both accounts. Not on capital account, they don't want to current account, they both account and what they are focused on, they are work upon. Explain the word the overall position. So we are trying to maintain the balance between current and what capital account are we together. Question number next. And the next question here says all of the following except one are what are normal functions of all of the marketing bodies in Nigeria. All of the following except one. All of the following except one are normal functions of all of marketing body in Nigeria. Option A, price stabilization. Option B, efficient marketing of agricultural crops. Provision of other funds for building accessible to the development of agricultural industry and establishing of agro-allied industry. Marketing. All of the following, except one, are normal functions of marketing bodies in Nigeria. Provision of funds for building the world accessible. So option C is our best answer. For this kind of question, you can go and read more on what market structure, read more on what read more on what read more on provision of funds, read more on provision of funds, read more on what of government what expenditure, read more on what after reading more on what on marketing, you're going to get a clear head. Pay attention to detail. I'll go read more what on industrialization and what in Nigeria. Industrialization and what in Nigeria. Industry in Nigeria. Question number next. And the next question here says, which of the following countries is not a members of what of the Economic Community of West African World States? As ECOWAS. Option A, Sierra Leone. Option B, Sudan. Option C, Gambia. Option D, Nigeria. Option Guinea. Sudan is not among. Cameroon is not among other countries there. Question on next understand that. The next question will be the last in this we see in Nigeria. The balance of payment deficit can be solved by all of the following except option A, imposing import ban on some commodities, this embargo. Option B, imposing import duties. Option A, drawing down on national reserves. So the purchasing foreign exchange from foreign countries on the violation of what currency. So in Nigeria, a balance of payment deficit, balance of payment that is not what favor can be solved by what by all the foreign except purchasing foreign exchange from what from foreign world countries. When I say for purchasing foreign exchange, they are still compounding what the problem, the woes of what of deficit, balance of all of payments. And it's not the word, it's not the right word to control it at all. Option D is that response. The Johnson will come to the end of this segment. We have profiles of the past question as well as the year 1982 Jamb question. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and good luck.